Hello student, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve some more questions which are based on the parameter of some certain figure. I hope you understood everything clearly that we are discussed in our last some video. And I hope also that you get the idea how to find the parameter of some figure. So now you become so eligible or your level becomes so high that you can solve any problem which based on parameter. Okay, so our today's session will be the last on the topic of parameter. After this, we shall start the new topic that will be on area. Okay, so before starting that area, today we have to complete our parameter. So let's start from a question. The question is find the perimeter of rectangle. Find the perimeter of rectangle and the rectangle is drawn here. This is the given rectangle and the length is 12 centimeter and its diameter is 30 centimeter. Okay, we have to find the perimeter of this rectangle. Okay, students, so I hope the question you get. So, in order to solve this question, first of all, we have to read the question carefully and try to understand what data is given and what is the requirement of this problem. After that, we shall find our result that to be asked here. Okay, so here the question says that find the perimeter of the rectangle which is given here. In this figure, we can see that the length of this parameter is 12 centimeter and its diagonal is 13 centimeter. Here, the length of its breadth is not given. Okay, but in order to find the parameter of the rectangle, we need width. Without width, we cannot satisfy the formula as we write here. Parameter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. In this formula, we can see that there is no any term which define diameter. Therefore, we cannot find the perimeter of this rectangle using this formula. Okay, so first of all, in order to find the value of the question, we have to find out the width of this rectangle. Okay, so as we know the definition of the rectangle, we say that the opposite side of the rectangle are equal and at every corner there is an angle of 90 degree. So that here the angle is of 90 degree. That means here we can apply the Pythagorean triplet in order to find the value of this height. Okay, so here if we hide this portion, then we shall find that ABC an right angled triangle, and in right angled triangle we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So here we can see that AB is the normal, that is the height, AB is the height, and BC is the base, and AC is the hypotenuse. Is hypotenuse. Therefore, here we apply AC square is equal to AB square and plus BC square. Okay. Now we shall put the value. The value of AC is 13 centimeter. Therefore, it will be 13 square and this will be equal to AB is unknown, so leave AB as it is and put the value of BC, that will be 12 square. Okay, and after solving, the square of 30 is 169, and this will be equal to AB square and plus the square of 12 is 144. Now since the term 144 has the sign of positive, so when it transpose to the left hand side, the sign become into negative, and at last we get AB square is equal to 169 minus 144, and when we solve it, we get the result as 9 minus 4, 5, and 16 minus 14, 2. Therefore, here we get the value, here we get the value AB square, AB square is equal to 25, which give us AB is equal to 5 centimeter. So what is AB? AB is the width of the rectangle. AB is the width of the rectangle, and here we find it as 5 centimeters. Okay. So now the requirement of the question has been completed, that we have to find out the width of this rectangle in order to find the perimeter of a rectangle. Okay. Now we can apply this formula to find the perimeter of this rectangle. Now let us see. P is equal to 2 into 12 plus 5, and this will be equal to 2 into 12 plus 5 is 17, and this will be equal to 34 centimeters. Therefore, 34 is the right answer. 34 is the exact parameter of okay, students. So now let us see the question once again. Question is very easy. We have to do nothing here. Sorry for taking the time. So in this question, we can see that the question has given like this. There is a rectangle in which the length is 12 centimeter, and the diagonal is 13 centimeter, but its width is not given. So here we can see that ABC is a right angled triangle. So using Pythagoras theorem, we can find the width of this rectangle, which is equal to 5 centimeter. Now using the formula P is equal to 2 into L plus B, we have to solve, and we get the required result as 34 centimeter. Therefore, 34 centimeter is the right answer. Now let us see the next question, the perimeter of this isosceles trapezium. The perimeter of this isosceles triangle, isosceles trapezium, is isosceles trapezium is 92 centimeter. Then find the value of its all side. Then find the length of, then find the length of its all side. This is the given problem, and here the figure is given like this. This is x plus 2, x plus 10, x and x. Okay, this is also given, which is x. So this is the given trapezium, and we have to find the value of the length of all its sides. So let us see what does the question say and try to understand what is its requirement. The question says that find the parameter of this isosceles trapezium. Okay, isosceles trapezium, which means that at least two sides will be equal of this trapezium. And here we can easily see that the line AB, let me write the name of this, AB, CD. In this figure, we can see that the length AB is equal to CD, which proves that the trapezium is isosceles. Okay. Now the next is 92 centimeter. The perimeter of this isosceles trapezium is 92 centimeter. Then we have to find the total length. Sorry, the length of all its side. Okay. So here we know that by the definition of perimeter, the total length of the boundary is called perimeter. Therefore, here the total length of this perimeter, this trapezium will be x, that is AB plus BC plus CD and plus AD is equal to 92. Okay, total length of the boundary is equal to its perimeter. Now put these values. The value are given. The value of AB is x. Therefore put here x. BC is x plus 10. So write here x plus 10. And CD is again x, and this is x plus 2, and this is equal to 92. After solving, we get 4x plus 12 is equal to 92, or 4x is equal to 92 minus 12, and here we get 4x is equal to 80. Okay, so here we get this implied x is equal to 80 upon 4, and 4 1 ja 4 and 20 4 ja 80. So at last here we get the value of x is equal to 20. Okay, so here we get the value x is equal to 20. Now since here AB is x, therefore x will be equal to 20. Now find the value of AD. AD will equal to x plus 2, that is 20 plus 2 will equal to 22, and the next, that is x plus 10, and here we get BC is equal to x plus 10, which is equal to 20 plus 10, and this is equal to 30 centimeter, and hence in this way we get the required result. Okay students, so I hope the question is clear to everyone. Okay. Now let us see one more question. This will be the last question of this exercise, and after that we have complete our exercise. The last question is a rectangular field. A rectangular field is 54 meter long and 16.4 meter, sorry, and 40 meter wide, and 40 meter wide. Find its value. Find its value. Question looks like very easy because you have solved various questions. Okay students, so this will be the last question of this exercise. After that we shall start the new, that will be the area. Okay, so now let us see its solution. Since here is a rectangular field in which the length is 54 meter and width is 40 meter. Therefore, its perimeter will be is equal to 2 into L plus B, and this is equal to 2 multiplied by 54 plus 40, and here we get 2 into 94. After solving, 2 4 ja 8, 2 9 ja 18. Therefore, 188 is the right answer. 188 is the exact answer of this question. So student, I hope it is clear to everyone, and I also hope that you have no any doubt in the topic of parameter. Yet you have any problem, then please go to the comment section and mention your doubt. I will clear your doubt in my next video. Till then, goodbye.